The following is a commercial program paid for by David Lukas Financial. The opinions and views expressed belong to its sponsors and are not those of Nexstar Broadcasting, Inc., the station, or their affiliates or employees.
There are 3 retirement tax traps that could needlessly cost you tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here to talk about it is David Lukas, a 17-year veteran of the financial services industry and host of the David Lukas Show, heard on radio stations throughout Little Rock for over 10 years. David, it's great to see you again. So what are these 3 retirement tax traps?
Lauren, it's great to see you again. Most people don't realize it, but taxes could be your biggest expense in retirement. But the good news is, it doesn't have to be this way. You have more control over how much money you pay in taxes in retirement than any other time in your life. And if you take advantage of some defensive tax planning strategies before you retire, it could be a windfall of savings in retirement. But the key is you have to get in front of it now.
So what's the first retirement tax trap?
The first tax trap is forgetting all that money you've saved in your IRA, your 401k, your pension, and any other tax-deferred retirement account. It's not all your money, right? You think about it. You still have to pay taxes when you withdraw this money in retirement, and you could be paying much higher taxes on these accounts than you realize.
So what's the second tax trap?
The second tax trap is actually triggering higher taxes on your Social Security benefits. This is a big shock for a lot of people. They see how much money they're going to receive in Social Security benefits. They're counting on this money in retirement, and then they learn they could pay taxes on as much as 85% of their benefits.
Wow. So what's the third retirement tax trap?
Yeah, Lauren, the third tax trap is higher future tax rates. Most people don't realize it, but taxes are lower than they've been in over 40 years. But those days are over. Our government has been pumping trillions and trillions of dollars in economic stimulus to help Americans get back on their feet. But make no mistake about it, this money, it's not free. Somebody has to pay for it, and it's going to come in the form of higher taxes. That means higher taxes for you. That means higher taxes for me, and higher taxes for everyone watching right now. Taxes must go up, and unfortunately, these tax increases could hit just as tens of millions of baby boomers are retiring.
So how can our viewers avoid these tax traps?
It really boils down to the difference between tax preparation versus tax planning. Most Americans simply prepare and file their taxes every year with their accountant or CPA. Now, sure, maybe you find some deductions that could help you save a few bucks, but at this point, what's done is done. If you want to save money on taxes in retirement, you need to look forwards, not backwards, and this is called tax planning, and the results, they could be significant. It could literally be tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars.
So how can our viewers take advantage of tax planning?
If you take advantage of the short window of opportunity we have right now, you could save tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes. And that's why we want to make a special offer just for your viewers today. And you can learn how you could dramatically reduce or even eliminate your taxes in retirement with our free retirement tax analysis. Let me tell you real quick how this works. We'll just get some basic information from you, and then what we'll do is we'll determine the tax saving strategies that are best suited for your specific situation. Then we'll sit down with you and we'll share these strategies with you so you can see exactly how much money in taxes you could save. And let me assure you, these aren't elaborate or complex strategies. In fact, many of these strategies have been around for decades. They're available to all Americans, but most people just don't know they exist. And now I want to point out there's no cost for this analysis, but we're only making this offer available to your viewers who call us today.
All right. Thank you, David. Learn how you could reduce or eliminate your taxes in retirement with that free retirement tax analysis from David Lukas Financial. If you've saved at least $250,000, call to schedule your free retirement tax analysis now. That phone number is 501-285-8911. And now remember, it's not what you make, it's what you keep. David, is there anything else you want our viewers to know today?
Yeah, your viewers can learn more. We've been on the radio for over 10 years here in Central Arkansas. Lots of opportunities to tune in. News Radio 102.9 KRN Saturdays at 2 p.m., Sundays at 11, 101.1 The Answer, Saturdays at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. on Sundays, then at noon on Saturdays on Faith Talk 99.5. So hopefully if people are out and about this weekend, they can tune in and listen and learn. Thank you.
Absolutely. A lot of opportunities to get some great information. That's David Lukas Financial. Call to schedule your free retirement tax analysis now at 501-285-8911. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.